Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are back again in the opulence cave, guys. You already know. Today, we are going to be talking about the Fear of God ADIDAS collab, specifically the LA Runner. So I'm really excited to bring this one to you. And the word is, what's the word? The word would be, clean, decent, and something that is very, very different. So that's the word I'm going to use with that. So it's going to be in the pale yellow colorway, and it is going to be right here, guys. It comes in this box. We're going to be talking about the sizing. We're going to be talking about the fit and the materials, okay? And if you're new to the channel, make sure you slap that like button. Make sure you comment in the section below and subscribe to the channel if you like content like this. Okay, so I'm gonna make it really quick because today I have a lot of video I want to get to, so I'm not going to take your time at all. So it comes in this box right here. As you can see, it has a sleeve. This is just a sleeve in front of the box itself. So right there you can see that's my sizing right there. It's upside down. So that is in a size 10 right there, as you can see, which is my size. And we're going to take off the sleeve right here. So full disclosure, when this came in, I did take a peek in there. It comes with a tissue paper on the outside. It's like a shell, like a white tissue paper on the outside of the box. This is the box itself, taking the sleeve off. You can see it's got the ADIDAS logo right there. Got the ADIDAS logo right there. It's, I don't know if you can see it, if it's showing up on the camera, but it's just in the corner right there. It's kind of like a fadey kind of look. So if you take it out of the box like that, okay. So it's a really, really quality box. And you can see it comes with the tissue paper, and that's shows ADIDAS right there and Fear of God printing on the tissue paper right there. So if you peel it back, you can see it is all wrapped up with a extra shoelace, but we'll come back to the shoelace right there. It's wrapped up like that. I'm gonna take it out of the wrap. So it looks something like that. It's a really, really nice quality material right there. The silhouette I really, really like. It's got like this paper right there, which I'm gonna take off in a second. I'm gonna obviously give you the on feet so you can see exactly what it looks like. The color is called pale yellow. This is the official name that Fear of God and ADIDAS gave this shoe. Is called the ADIDAS Athletic Pale Yellow Runner. So that is the official name for this. So let me take the other one out of there, but first I'm going to take off the paper that comes right there. Okay, so that is what it's looking like right there. Let's start from the bottom. You can see the traction right there. It's got that wavy pattern kind of traction right there, and it's really nice. It feels really good, very, very grippy. Going to the midsole, you got more of that pale yellow midsole as well. Even though I feel like some people will say the midsole is more of a cream than pale yellow, but I mean, either way, I like it. The bottom, it's kind of like an icy cream right there. And then you can see on the back, it's got that suede right there, the pale yellow suede. On the side, we've got this ripstop fabric, and it's also in the frontal, the toe box right there. And then the mudguard has that premium yellow suede as well right there. Man, it's really, really looking nice. One thing that I really love about Fear of God and ADIDAS, they don't take prisoners when they bring together the materials for their product. So this does not disappoint as well. This has a very, very nice material. And yeah, the tongue as well is more of that material, same material as well. That's suede material right there. Okay, you can see it right there, and it's a really, really nice. And on the side, he has that Adidas stripe in that same suede material right there as well. And same on the other side. And the side panel is this ripstop that feels very, very nice to the touch. So that's what it's looking like right there. Of course, I'm going to do a close-up for you guys so you can see exactly what that looks like. It comes with an extra lace. Let me bring that out so you guys can see. It's a white, actually it's a cream extra lace, it's not white. But for me, I'm gonna leave the lace in there like that, because I prefer that lace. It looks good. So I'll keep that lace. And in the future, if I don't uh, like this lace anymore, maybe I just want to switch it up, I will change the lace to the white one. And the inside as well has that ADIDAS Fear of God branding in the inside as well, right there. And on the midsole, if you look at the back, has the patch that with the Fear of God branding, the black patch right there with the Fear of God branding in the back. So for me, it's a really decent shoe. I like it. Particularly, I like the runners. I also have a few more of the runners in my collection in a different color. I think it's two more, the sesame and the one other one. So I like both of them, and this one as well. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the on feet, and you can see exactly what it looks like. For me, it's a very, very nice shoe, and you can see in front right there, it's got the Adidas branding as well, right there in front. And for sizing, guys, this for me, I went through the size with this one, and through the size is fine for me. So that's what I would recommend personally. So if you have a narrow foot, I think just go through the size. Except if you have a wide foot, maybe you could go a half size up. But for me, this is fine. I have a narrow foot, so I just went through the size and it was fine for me. So yeah, guys, that is it. I don't want to take too much of your time. That's what I've got for you on this one. I will be doing the on-feet as usual and some close-up shots so you guys can see exactly what it looks like on feet. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and comment in the section below. Let me know what you think about the runners by Fear of God and ADIDAS. And I will catch you guys on the next one. All our opulence out.